These fat cats are hilarious, but wait till you see number 3.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Subscribe for more daily fluff and chaos. Comment down your favorite cat below.